Meghan Markle's half-sister calls Prince Harry the Duke of Walis in a new lawsuit. Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit against Meghan includes a blunder, confusing Prince Harry for Prince William, calling him incorrectly as Duke of Wales. Meghan Markle's half-sister, Samantha Markle, has filed a defamation lawsuit against the Duchess of Sussex, but legal documents reveal a huge blunder. Samantha's legal team confused Prince Harry with his older brother, Prince William, and called him Duke of Wales. Court papers cite Harry was mistakenly referred to as the Duke of Wales, a title held by Prince William. To most of us, Americans, we couldn't give a tinker's dick as to whether that prince is the Duke of Wales, the Duke of Sussex, or the Duke of Earl, Samantha's lawyer, Peter Ticktin, told Newsweek. Hello viewers, please remember to subscribe and click on the notifications bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we upload new cookies about the British royal family. In fact, I wish I could say it was simply a spelling mistake when he should have been the Duke of Wales. In all seriousness, we have a guy here in the United States who believes our First Amendment is bonkers, meaning crazy, Ticktin noted. This Duke is here as our guest, and his goal seems to be to control our speech. He further suggested that if Americans gave out titles, Harry might be dubbed the Minister of Fiction. Notably, President-elect Donald Trump has publicly criticized the Sussexes and recently hinted at taking action against Harry. Trump's proposed policies, including mass deportations, could pose a problem for the Duke of Sussex, particularly due to Harry's admissions of drug use in his 2023 memoir, Spare. However, immigration attorney Michael Wilds speculated that Trump might pardon the prince from any domestic crimes due to his ties to King Charles III. Political commentator Niles Gardner of the Heritage Foundation told GB News, with all the revelations about drug use by Harry in his own book, Spare, his immigration records should be fully reviewed and open to the US public for scrutiny. If he was not honest and truthful in his application, that would be a criminal offense and he would be removed from the country. It's as simple as that. Meghan Markle revealed plan to break with royal tradition in bombshell interview. Meghan Markle reportedly shared her plans to leave the royal family way before it happened. In this interview, Meghan Markle alluded to what was to come in terms of her role in the royal family. An important rule of dating a member of the royal family is to keep the details of the relationship private and not speak to the press. In July 2017, Meghan Markle did an interview with Vanity Fair. She was told to steer clear of controversial subjects and her relationship with Prince Harry, reports the Daily Mail. The palace were reportedly surprised to see the headline "Wild About Harry" on the front cover of the piece when it was published. Meghan Markle had given details of her and Prince Harry's relationship. The couple first started dating in July 2016 and their relationship had started off very private, but as time went on, it became harder for them to keep this level of privacy. Prince Harry had been spotted picking Meghan up from the airport when she came to visit him in the UK. In October, the news of their relationship broke, but they did still manage to maintain some privacy despite public interest. Tom Bauer, journalist and author of Revenge, Meghan, Harry and the War Between the Windsors, wrote that Meghan was ecstatic when she was asked to appear on the cover of the magazine's September 2017 issue. Kayleigh Thomas Morgan, a partner at Meghan's PR firm Sunshine Sachs, organized the interview, which was conducted by Sam Kashner, a long-standing contributing editor at Vanity Fair, who admitted before the interview that he had no idea who Meghan was. The interview was conducted with both parties knowing the strict instructions Meghan was under. When asked about Harry, Meghan replied, "We are a couple. We're in love." She said, "I'm sure there will be a time when we will have to come forward and present ourselves and have stories to tell, but I hope what people will understand is that this is our time. This is for us. It's part of what makes it so special, that it's just ours. But we're happy. Personally, I love a great love story." The palace were reportedly not happy about the article, but neither was Meghan, who allegedly didn't like the images, thought the story was negative, and about Prince Harry rather than her. Meghan Markle criticised over controversial poppy choice during joint appearance with Prince Harry, disrespectful. Meghan Markle wore a poppy which appeared different from what Prince Harry wore during a joint appearance. Meghan Markle has been blasted over her controversial poppy choice. The Duchess of Sussex wore a poppy which appeared different from what Prince Harry wore during a joint appearance. The pair appeared together in a video last week to discuss children's safety in the digital world. Both of them were seen donning poppies, but Meghan's looked a little different from her husband's. The poppy she wore did not seem to have leaves on the stalk. The design was somewhat similar to Canadian poppies made in Toronto, which have 4 petals and no leaf, kind of like those worn in Scotland. The poppies on the Sussexes' jackets were a nod to Remembrance Sunday in the UK, which was upcoming at the time their video was released. Journalist Lee Cohen said on GB News, "When I saw that, I immediately made a post on Twitter that actually went viral, expressing that it makes one nauseous to see Meghan Markle wearing the poppy commemorating the noble dead of the nation. She is so disrespectful, so disrespected, and apparently a lot of people agree." Last year too, Meghan sparked outrage when she wore a poppy at an American Navy fitness center opening in San Diego. Her move angered US veterans, as poppies are traditionally worn in America during Memorial Day in May, and not November. Harry and Meghan stepped down from the royal family back in 2020 and moved to the US, and have since not attended the annual Remembrance Day service at the cenotaph. Cohen suggested that it is conceivable he could still appear, just not in uniform, adding that tensions with the royal family simply make such appearances very unlikely. "It is really unlikely that Harry is going to be able to participate in these central events with the royal family going forward," he said. "It's a pity for him. Although he created his own path here, he stepped down in 2020. He gave up his honorary military titles and the right to wear a uniform." Meghan Markle is the perfect partner for Prince Harry, who enjoyed being. Prince Harry's past suggests he thrives under guidance, making Meghan Markle a perfect partner. While Meghan Markle is often held responsible for Prince Harry's decision to leave the UK and settle in the US, those who knew Harry before his marriage suggest the Duchess of Sussex is the perfect partner he desired. "He loved being ordered about and told what to do," a former Sandhurst classmate told News Nation. "He was quite good at being in the military and really liked it. He especially liked being told what to do. He was a good guy, actually. We all liked him. It was funny though, he did like to be the center of attention." Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and drop comments, and most importantly don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.